$100 per day with Faceless YouTube strategy, and the name of the strategy is Launch Jacking, and there is absolutely no investment required. So if you haven't watched my previous video called 3 Faceless video strategies, then you should watch that, and this strategy is one of them that I'm going to explain in detail. So there is 3 steps to do launch jacking. One is find a product that's yet to be launched. Step number 2, create review video for that product. And step number 3, upload with very basic SEO optimization, which I'm going to explain as well. All right. And once you complete all these steps, you can make money. Okay. So how does launch jacking work? Let me explain. So first of all, you need to go to a website called munchi.com. So this is a launch calendar of sorts. So you can see all the products that are yet to be launched. So Munchi covers launches for Warrior Plus, JVZoo and ClickBank, and in some cases other networks as well. So first of all, step number 1 is to find a product that's yet to be launched. All right. So find a good product and apply for affiliate link. So first of all, you can check now the launch date of these products. So today is 9th of April, right? So I want to find a products that are in future, right? If it is launching today, I don't have enough time to create review video, watch the course or watch the, test out the software and create a review video based on that. All right. So I will, go after like maybe 13 or 14. So I need a couple of days to do everything. So for example, let's just go with 14th April and by James Reno and Recurring AI. So that is the name of the product, Recurring AI, and it is hosted in Warrior Plus. So you will see something called a JV page here. Okay. So I will open that up in a new tab and take a look. So this is the JV page of Recurring AI, and you can see sales page preview, you can see email swipes, and you will go ahead and select affiliate, click on affiliate link. So if I open this one up on a new tab, it will take me to the Warrior Plus, and it will take me to the apply page, right? So here I need to request approval. So if I click on that button, and I just have to add notes like how I'm going to promote a product. So I am going to do a review video for this for Recurring AI, right? I generally do that. So but if you're a newbie, you might need to explain a bit more, right? For example, you have a YouTube channel, so you can show your channel link to show them that you are serious about promoting this product. All right. So once you do that, right, you can click on request offer. So if I click on request offer, it will load. It will show me if there is my affiliate link is pending or it's active. All right. So if it is active, instead of your request to promote the software pending message, you will see your affiliate link as well, which you can just copy and use it to promote that product. Okay. So you have applied for your affiliate link. Now what you need to do is get a review copy. So how does that work? Right. So you will go and message the vendors. You can either message the Max or you can message James, these vendors, right? So I will open it on Facebook. So if I click on it and open Facebook of James, I can simply send him a message that I want to promote this product called Recurring AI, and just simply send a message. And I can tell him that I want to promote Recurring AI, and show again, give him your channel, and say that you are new. Just be honest, right? You are new. You want to promote this product, and you will be creating a review video to promote the product. All right. So, if you're brand new, there are chances that you might get rejected, but that is okay since there are tons and tons of products and you will get review copies for products. Okay. And in some cases, you don't even need to ask for review copy. So if I check, maybe there might be something that will, maybe let's just go and check this one, right? Evoke. Read by Venkataramana. So if I open that up, right, a lot of times you will find something called JV Doc. So if I click on it, it should open up a Google Doc. Well, it is not live yet, right? So it should open up a Google Doc or Evernote, something like those apps, and there you will already have username and password to log in and do a review of that product. right? In some cases, like in most cases really. And for training and this type of software, you actually need to contact the vendor. All right. Now, so once you get a review copy, once you got the review copy, you can go ahead and create a little script for yourself and create the review video. So the process is simple. You got the review copy and then you watch the training, right? And if it's a software, you actually test it out. Okay, and then once you do that, you can actually create a little script if you are uncomfortable, going or recording your screen and talking on the fly. If you're uncomfortable with that, you can easily create a little script of bullet points, just like what I'm doing here, right? I don't remember everything, so I just create something like this and I can just talk about it, right? You can do that, or you can create a detailed script and just do a voiceover thing and ultimately create the review video. Okay, and then upload with basic SEO. That means keywords. So for example, this one's called recurring AI. That's the name of the product, right? Recurring AI. So what you can do is you upload the video and just that is your main keyword, by the way, right? Recurring AI. So recurring AI review, that will be your title. Okay, and you add that on description, you add that on tags, and you are good to go. So that's basically the gist of launch jacking. Okay, but a lot of people does that, but you need to stand out a little, right? So you need to provide more value by offering valuable bonuses. So for example, in this recurring AI products, what is this, by the way? So let's say there is no information really. So there is no information really. So I will just ditch that one and I will go with maybe the previous one that I opened. Maybe a minute hook. Let's just go with. I will not choose 9th April, the product launched for today, but this is just for example. Just pretend that it is somewhere in future. So they gave a Google Doc in place of JV page. That is fine as well. The name of the product is minute hook. Okay, so JV page is here inside the doc. So I will open that up. And here you will get all bunch of information. So email swipes, they even give you bonuses that you can use, so that is pretty good. Okay, so if I go here, you will see this is Cindy, by the way, Cindy Donovan, and this product is launching on JVZoo. So as I did on Warrior Plus, you can open this button and request for approval, right? Just the same process, just a different network. Okay, so what is this, by the way? So it is a WordPress plugin, allows you to automatically turn your blog post into lead magnets or hooks. Your website visitors can click a button and have copy of that article sent to their email box. So that is a pretty good product, I believe, right? So allows you to automatically. So that is a software that is basically a WordPress plugin that will get you viral PDFs as lead magnets or hooks. You can do content distribution and things like that. If you're non-WordPress users, then also there is a lot of things and they explain how does this work. Okay, there is a demo video as well, which is pretty good. So this is actually a pretty good, and this is the funnel that you need to look into as well. So for example, if someone buys it, this is the front end funnel. So 19.97, if the commission is 50%, you will get half of that. Okay, then there's upsell, there's upsell number 2, upsell number 3, and if you promote a webinar, you make about $190 or something. So that's up to $330 plus recurring, and you will earn 50% commission. So that is 50% commissions over the entire funnel. So that is pretty good, and I think this product looks pretty good. Okay, and you can actually contact Cindy via Skype, Facebook, or email to get the review copy. Alright, so once you got the review copy, you will create valuable bonuses. So here they already gave you the bonuses that you can use. Now also you can actually take the help of ChatGPT to get ideas, right? You don't need to brainstorm alone anymore. So what I can do is, so let's just go to the top, and minute hook is world's first. So let me just copy that one. And I will go to ChatGPT and type in real quick, right? Give me some bonus ideas for a product that I am promoting as an affiliate called Minute Hook. Okay, here are more details about Minute Hook. Okay, so I can paste that one, and then I can get a couple more details from there. Alright, so what is this? This is a WordPress plugin. So I will just copy and paste the entire thing, and I will go to ChatGPT and I will enter that as well. Okay, and I just add it in inverted commas. Right. If there's more information, the more the better. So I'm just showing an example. So I'm going to do up to this. You can actually go ahead and check if there is something, if that you can add in the steps, like what exactly this product, so that ChatGPT can understand it better and give you some ideas. All right. So I'll just enter, and it will give me some bonus ideas. So lead magnet templates offer a variety of customizable lead magnet templates within the plugin to cater to different niches and target audiences. So that's pretty good. So if there is an option to share templates with your audience, you can actually create template for your audience and do things like that will be helpful for them, right? Integration with email marketing programs, analytics dashboard, A/B testing. So implement A/B testing functionality, social media sharing. All right. So customizable branding, lead nurture sequences. I think that is pretty good. So you can give them pre-built email sequences for their lead magnet, their hook, right? Which will help them generate sales. Okay, then you can give them training and support resources. So you can actually give them your training instead of just the training inside the minute hook dashboard. You can give your version of training as a bonus as well. So these two bonuses are enough to provide enough a great amount of value so that customers choose to buy from you and you make a lot of money. Now then, what if the product is not good? Right? So you go ahead, you do all this process, you get the review copy, maybe you got the minute hook, it looks good, but when you log in inside minute hook, the product is not what it is advertising as, right? It is crap. Like for example, I'm not saying minute hook is crap, but just an example. So if this product is crap, then what do? Well, it's simple. Be honest. All right, say it as it is, and then recommend something else and build your email list in the process. All right, forget about the sale for that product because it's not good and it's not good reputation for you. So you can just make a really good video that helps the viewer to make a decision whether to buy that software, buy that product or not. Right, once you do that, regardless of them purchasing the product or not, the sale is all yours. Like how? You will be building an email list, right, from that audience. That is a buyer mindset audience, right? Mind you. So people are searching for these reviews because they just want a second opinion to jump over the fence and buy that product. Right? But here you are telling them that that product is crap. Instead, they should check something else out, and you give them your link, which will build your email list and recommend them something else better than the one that you have reviewed. Right? Since they are on the buying mindset already, they will go ahead and make a purchase in most cases. Okay? And a lot of people do that on a regular basis, on a daily basis, and I just want to show you some of the example channels. So first of all, this is the channel of Ken Furukawa. So here we are, and you can see he is doing this 10 hours ago at Atomics review, no bullshit review, right? AI Money Sites review. A lot of softwares that he does is actually crap, right? I mean, a lot of softwares he reviews are actually crap, but instead of just, promoting it, he says things as it is and then send them to an opt-in page where he makes, where he builds his email list and, sells something else that is actually valuable for the people, and people appreciate that. All right, so this is a great example for you to follow, and he is very consistent. 10 hours ago, 5 days ago, 6 days ago, 9 days ago, 10 days ago, 11 days, 13 days, 2 weeks, right? So he is pretty consistent, and this is what he does, right? That's all he does. You can see everything is a review video. Rarely a video is about something else. Okay, so you can build a channel like this. So 490 videos and 9,000 subscribers. You might say that, this amount of subscribers and this amount of views, right? Just 72 views, 150 views, 94 views, even after uploading 490 views is way less. But people remember that these views are buying mindset people. Also, these are from the niche, right? This niche, this make money online niche. Okay, so every single view of these are a buyer, and they want to make that decision. They watch this video and then they get sent out to another product and they buy that, and ultimately can makes the commission here. All right, you should go ahead and check this out yourself. So this is another example here, School of Nomads by Richard Darby. So this is Richard here. Again, you can see 10 days ago, 2 months ago. I think he is not that active anymore, but I could see him active a lot, before, right? And you can see 575 videos under 10,000 subscribers. But he doesn't need a lot of views, a lot of subscribers, because he actually makes money doing very, very simple review videos. Okay. Now, number 3 is Sylvia Marketing. So if you check out her channel, if you check out Sylvia's channel, you can see all these reviews that she does, and she makes a pretty good amount of commissions doing this as well. So guys, this simply works, right? You can go and check out Suzanne's channel as well. Let's just open, why not? So here I am with Suzanne's channel. As you can see, she uploaded 400, almost 500 videos and just like 2,500 subscribers. Do you think she is not making any money at all? You are wrong, because she is making money. She is doing reviews. She's doing these ratings 2 out of 10. So this is a crap product called With Supremacy, and she gave 5-star rating for this RIM 7. And I'm pretty sure people who are subscribers of the channel actually are interested on a product that she is giving 5 stars on. Normally she just gives 2, 0, 2, and if she is giving 5 stars, then that product is the real deal, and people or the subscribers and the people on her email list are going to buy that product, and she is going to make commissions. I hope you are getting the power of this strategy. Okay, and you can even check my channel and see the review videos that I am doing. You can see I did honest reviews, negative reviews. Well, I don't like the negative reviews word, so I will just stick to honest reviews. Then there is positive reviews about good products which I make money from. So I hope you understand what this strategy is about. Now, a realistic expectation for a new channel. Okay, so it might not rank most of the time for your first 10 videos, but after that you will be getting some authority and start ranking for the review keywords, and then easy cash flow if you do the consistent work. Okay, now if you want to learn it properly, if you want to do launch jacking just like these guys and actually make commissions, focus on this and you will be able to get results. Okay, then get RIMS 5. It specifically teaches you launch jacking in a systematic manner to generate buyer intent leads, buyer intent as I explained before, and of course commissions. It simply works. There is no shortage of content. If you go to munchai.com, there is a lot of products that are getting launched, and there is no shortage of content there. All right, it is very easily repeatable. You just need to be consistent and the money shall come to you. There is some background noise going on, and if you can hear that, I apologize for that. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, right? This launch jacking strategy, and I highly recommend the RIMS 5 product. I will actually leave a link in the description. You can check it out, get it. If you're serious, get it, and just focus on this strategy, and you will start getting results. Okay, that's about it, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.